Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best gadget of all time. Today I am going to make video on cordless hedge trimmer of this year. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are. Product 1: a cordless hedge trimmer. A cordless hedge trimmer is a versatile and convenient tool designed for the efficient maintenance of hedges and shrubs without the constraints of a power cord. The 21V cordless hedge trimmer you mentioned is a specific model featuring a powerful 22-inch electric blade with a dual-action design. This dual-action blade is known for providing cleaner cuts with reduced vibration, enhancing overall cutting efficiency. Any notable feature of this cordless hedge trimmer is its 3.0Ah battery, which provides a reliable and substantial power source for prolonged use. The inclusion of a charger ensures that the battery can be easily recharged when needed, allowing users to maintain their landscaping tasks without interruptions. With a 3/5 cut capacity, this hedge trimmer is suitable for tackling a variety of hedge sizes and thicknesses. The 22-inch blade length allows for a decent reach, making it easier to trim and shape hedges with precision. The cordless nature of this hedge trimmer offers increased mobility and flexibility during unprofessional landscapers who need a portable and efficient tool for maintaining garden aesthetics. In summary, the 21V cordless hedge trimmer, with its 22-inch dual-action blade, 3.0Ah battery, and 3/5 cut capacity, provides a powerful and versatile solution for hedge trimming, offering the convenience of cordless operation. At Product 2: Product Name 2-in-1 24V cordless electric hedge trimmer. The 2-in-1 24V cordless electric hedge trimmer is a versatile and efficient gardening tool designed to make hedge trimming and shrub maintenance tasks convenient for homeowners. With a powerful 24-volt rechargeable battery, this cordless trimmer eliminates the need for cumbersome cords and provides the freedom to move around the garden without any restrictions. The tool operates at an impressive 20,000 RPM rotations per minute, ensuring a swift and precise cutting performance. Any notable feature of this hedge trimmer is its dual functionality, offering a 2-in-1 design. This means it can be used for both hedge trimming and shrub weeding, making it a versatile solution for various garden maintenance needs. The handheld design enhances Product 3: Product Name: a cordless hedge trimmer. A cordless hedge trimmer, such as the 22-inch 21V500W model with a dual-action blade and a 3/5-inch electric cut capacity, represents a versatile and convenient tool for maintaining the appearance of bushes, lawns, and gardens. The key feature of being cordless provides users with increased mobility and flexibility, as they are not tethered to a power outlet. This makes it easier to maneuver around the outdoor space without the limitations of cords. The 22-inch blade length is well suited for trimming a variety of hedge sizes, allowing users to cover more area efficiently. The dual-action blade design enhances cutting performance by reducing vibrations and ensuring a smoother operation. The 21V500W power rating ensures ample power for effective hedge trimming, while the 3/5-inch electric cut capacity enables the trimmer to handle branches and growth of varying thickness. This cordless hedge trimmer is not only convenient for gas-powered alternatives. The electric power source contributes to quieter operation, minimizing noise disturbances for both the user and the surrounding environment. Overall, the cordless hedge trimmer offers a practical solution for homeowners and gardeners seeking an efficient and easy-to-use tool for maintaining the aesthetics of their outdoor spaces. Its combination of cordless design, dual-action blade technology, and electric power make it a valuable Product 4: Product Name: the 7.2V cordless grass hedge trimmer. The 7.2V cordless grass hedge trimmer, specifically the PGHT 7.2 model by Pro, is a versatile and efficient garden tool designed to meet the needs of users seeking a convenient solution for trimming grass and hedges. This 2-in-1 device functions both as a grass shear and a hedger, providing users with the flexibility to tackle various aspects of garden maintenance. The cordless design of this trimmer is a notable feature, allowing users to move freely without the constraints of a power cord. With a 7.2V rechargeable battery, the trimmer offers a balance between power and portability, making it suitable for small to medium-sized gardens. The battery-operated nature of the tool also contributes to a quieter and more environmentally friendly operation compared to traditional gas-powered alternatives. The PGHT 7.2 cordless grass hedge trimmer incorporates ergonomic design elements for user comfort, enabling precise trimming for a well-groomed garden. The 2-in-1 functionality further adds to its versatility, streamlining the process of maintaining both grass and hedges with a single tool. For individuals seeking a convenient and efficient solution for garden maintenance, the 7.2V cordless grass hedge trimmer by Pro presents a reliable option. With its rechargeable battery, dual functionality, and user-friendly design, this garden tool is positioned to meet the needs of Product 5. Product name: 20V Electric Cordless Household Trimmer. The WorkPro 20V Electric Cordless Household Trimmer is a versatile gardening tool designed for homeowners and gardening enthusiasts. This trimmer operates on a powerful 20V battery, providing cordless convenience for easy maneuverability and flexibility in various outdoor trimming tasks. The cordless design eliminates the hassle of dealing with tangled cords and allows users to reach distant areas without constraints. This household trimmer serves multiple purposes, functioning not only as a hedge trimmer but also as a pruning saw with a blade attachment. This dual functionality makes it suitable for a range of tasks, from shaping and maintaining hedges to cutting through thicker branches when pruning trees or shrubs. Any notable feature of the WorkPro trimmer is its quick charge capability, allowing users to minimize downtime and efficiently tackle their gardening projects. The rechargeable battery system provides a convenient power source without the limitations of traditional corded trimmers or the inconvenience of handling fuel for gas-powered alternatives. The inclusion of a pruning saw attachment enhances the tool's utility, making it a practical and cost-effective solution for various landscaping needs. With its user-friendly design and efficient performance, the WorkPro 20V Electric Cordless Household Trimmer is a valuable addition to any homeowner's arsenal of gardening tools, offering the convenience of cordless operation, coupled with the versatility required for a variety of outdoor trimming and pruning tasks.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.